What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So, I have the final for the AMT Reagan Rod 1939, and it's finally done, and it's actually pretty cool. I actually like how it turned out, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So, yeah, I'll show you guys what I did to it. So, first off, the whole body is a candy color, the blue and the yellow. And I just realized something. This is pretty cool. I totally forgot because I graduated it like 2 years ago. But this is actually my school colors. Well, it's actually blue and gold, but blue and yellow, it's basically the same thing. Blue and yellow, blue and gold, it's the same thing. But I just realized this is my school colors, and I just thought, like, oh my gosh, I just made my school colors for this van or wagon, and I really do like it. This is pretty cool. So one of my update videos, my very first update video on this, I asked you guys what color I should paint the fenders, and a lot of you guys said just do the candy yellow. I did get, black. I did get some like silver, keep it silver, but I wanted to do all candy. So I was really wanting to do all candy. So thank you guys for helping me figure out, because like I said, a lot of you guys, most of you guys, I should say, said just go for the candy, all candy. So that's what I did. So let's okay, let's get to it. So the body, the main blue, is the outclad. I'm not gonna pronounce that. I don't know how to pronounce that. It is the It is the outclad candy ocho. I can't say it. Ocho blue, and the yellow is the outclad candy lemon yellow. I can't find a blue. I'm at paint booth still, but yeah, I think the blue is the ocho. I'm pronouncing that right. Ocho blue, I think. So that's pretty cool. And I went with it 2K clear with, it is the 2K clear, the spray gunner clear. Amazing clear. This stuff is amazing. It's actual automotive clear, they said, so that's pretty cool. So that's pretty neat. The wheels I de-chromed, and I'm not really sure about this look because the body is a really light color, but I think making the wheels black is probably a little bit too dark, but it looks good either way. But if I did this in the future again, I would have done the wheels in a chrome, or if I painted it. But whatever, the black looks pretty good, and I'm going to go plain. The interior, I think I do get my pictures for the interior. I don't know why I did that. But if you go on my Instagram account, you'll see the interior, and it is the Tamiya dark gray, I believe. So that's pretty neat. The seats and the dashboard and the door panels, and I did the second part of the dash, got metal, just kind of pick up a little bit, and there's some detail painting. The dashboard in this kit it's weird. It's so cool. It's like a really modern dashboard you would see on a modern car. The dashboard it's very unique. I like it. So is the seats. If you've seen the seats on my update videos, like I said, if someone made resin casting those seats, I would literally get those and put them in different cars, because those seats in this model they're incredible. They're so cool. I just can't believe how, I just like the looks of them. I don't know why I like it so much. So, and the steering wheel is the same color as the dash, and the floor I flocked. It is great flocking, and I did do the wood in the back. You see my last update video. So there's that. What's actually, and a mirror goes on a dashboard, which I thought was pretty unique. I was gonna put dice in here, but I just realized, I was like, oh, I can't do it with dice anymore because it doesn't go on the roof. So that's okay. It looks good without the dice. So there's that. This kit actually comes with tinted or non-tinted clear parts. So I went with the tinted glass on the back and the non-tinted on the front because you can't have your front windows tinted. Well, here in New York you can't. Not sure about anywhere else, but yeah, it's not legal to have front tinted windows. So that's pretty neat. The front bumper and the back bumper and the grill actually went on very nice. I'm actually quite nice they went on. Yeah, they just kind of slide right in, load that glue, and they're in. I thought it was pretty neat. The decals are all separate, the wood, and it took a bit of time to get them in there, but make sure you use decal set and saw because that really helps, and that really shaped the decals because there is actual wood like grain in the body. So definitely use decal saw, just so it softens it and just forms it to the shape. Decal set is usually what just helps you set it in there, but you can kind of see the yeah, here you go. You can see the grain. It's pretty neat, and you can feel it. That's pretty neat. On the back part too. Pretty neat. So alright, so let's actually flip it on its back or upside down. And oh yeah, and this decal went on very cool too. That decal looks beautiful in this blue. I gotta say, it really blends in. So wait, so the bottom, it's nothing too special. I did go over a spray of the candy yellow. Like I didn't do full coats. I think I got like 1 or 2 coats of the candy. It's like over spray. So I did that, and I didn't want to weather it too much because I want it's more like a show car more than a street car because I don't know, it seems like this guy went to stick it to shows. The engine is, well, I'll show you that in a minute, and the dry shaft is steel. Yeah, steel. Axle is gloss black, and the exhaust is aluminum. And yeah, and the gas tank is steel, and you can kind of see the wood tone on it there. I love these tires. I love the tread patterns on these tires, and they are directional tires, so you do have to face them the right way. Front and back, definitely the back, but the front, you might not seem like it's directional tires, but they are if you look really closely. So make sure you point them the right direction, and that will look good. So let's go ahead and pop the hood off. The hood just kind of tight fit. There we go. I'll put a picture on screen for you guys so you guys get a more detailed shot of it. But the engine is, the whole engine block and transmission is all silver. The cap is aluminum. No, that's aluminum. Steel. I get my colors mixed up. And so is the valve covers. That is steel also. And I love the electric fan in there. The fan is actually pretty neat in there. And I did the firewall, the candy lemon yellow also. I could have done it blue, but I just wanted to, make it candy lemon yellow. That looks pretty neat. But the engine in this kit, if you're just gonna get this kit just off the engine of it, I don't blame you. This engine is actually pretty neat. If you're gonna put it in an older car, different model, I don't blame you if you're gonna do that because this engine, it's pretty unique. But other than that, guys, I think that is gonna wrap up this build. I just want to build it. It was sitting in my stash for a while. I was like, yeah, let me get it out, build it. And I haven't built a wagon like this in a while, or like this at all actually. But I actually do like this. I actually like this kit. I might get another one in the future and build it. Yeah, but other than that, guys, I think that'll wrap up this build. Go sit on the shelf and look pretty as always. Alright guys, I would like to appreciate you guys so much for watching my channel. You're helping me support my channel and me, and I just thanks for watching, guys. But other than that, until next time, you will see my next build here very shortly. It's a very easy build. You might see it on Instagram already, but I'll do an update video on that here pretty soon. But alright guys, until next time, hope you guys see you guys later. Bye for now.